forgive me if I refer to other mediations, is not a proof of experience. It is a proof of I've been there, I saw. Last time when we met with the Council of Governors, and I'll be very bare on it, I was lucky to get governors who've been members of parliament, together with the other governors. The chair, outgoing chair of COG was there, Honorable Wanga was there. I actually never said it. Honorable Wanga was very forthright with them. He told them, as you negotiate, these are the likely political advice that you may get. So if we want to sound sophisticated and we want to sound very official, I'll go with Honorable Sifuna. Let's raise the issues, let's even conclude our mediation meeting today, and we proceed to the National Assembly. If that is what we want, we are very agreeable. However, I don't think the mandate of this mediation is to finish the meeting quickly. Neither is it to present the report. From where I sit, the mandate of this mediation is to successfully unlock the monies. If that is what we have in mind, Honorable Sifuna, unfortunately, we will not run away from the fact that this report will end up in the Senate, and this report will end up in the National Assembly. And for sure, as the light comes in the morning, Honorable Sifuna, is that without addressing the underlying issues, I am just being honest. Let me finish. I am not. I have been there. I know for sure. No.
Senator Sifuna, allow him to finish, please.
Honorable Sifuna,
finish.
You know the same thing, the same reasoning, and I'm telling you, today just come to the National Assembly, interact with members. In fact, I usually feel the cases around the FAD are always now the blackmail. The reasoning of the Senate, as you say, the reasoning of the National Assembly is that the COG uses the case to blackmail the process. And that is the fact. So we can move forward, but I've given you the atmosphere in the National Assembly, and we can't run away from it.
My proposal, Chair, just one thing. My proposal, now that we have added the comments, why don't we adjourn until next week?